Can I thin my peach tree by removing blossoms, or should I wait until the fruit begins to grow? And this is Susie on YouTube. So that's a good question. So Miss Susie, I can hear Mr. D in my ear. And I know what he would say, so I'm just gonna say it, all right?
Say it.
So the first thing he would say is you can thin by pruning in the wintertime, okay? Then he would also say, if we have a late freeze, that's gonna do some thinning for you as well.
Sure.
But he does suggest that you wait until you see those little baby peaches, right? When they're about an inch across, then you would thin to about 3 fruit per 12-inch branches.
Yeah, that's hard for people to prune when they see the fruits.
Yeah.
But if you want big peaches, prune them when you see the little ones.
If you want big peaches, you better do that. Give them a little space, a little
Right.
room to grow. So again, thin to about 3 per 12 inches of branch, and that will do it for you.
Great.
That'll do it. So thank you, Miss Susie, for that question. Yeah, I think Mr. D will be proud of that.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.